Hello, my name is Vivek and I am a QA automation engineer working here in Jignet from the past 2.10 years.
How would you describe your journey with Jignect so far?
My journey with Jignet has been both rewarding and full of learning. Initially, I joined Jignet as an intern, and over the time, I have learned so much of new tech tools and technologies which are used in the software testing. My mentors here supported me and guided me throughout my journey, and I have also got a chance to gain hands-on experience by working on real-world client projects. And over the time, I would say I have gained much confidence in both my technical and professional aspects.
What motivated you to join Jignect initially?
I was always wanted to join an organization that not only does good work in the IT space, but the one that also contributes to the society in a meaningful way. And while scrolling through the Jignet's website, I found the Life at Jignet session when I got to know about that Jignet also does some charity and social events. And as I always wanted to join this kind of organization, this was the part I would say that motivated me to join Jignet.
What is one thing you really appreciate about working here?
So what I really liked about Jignet is the welcoming nature of the staff and also the nature of continuous learning and continuous improvement. From the very first day, I felt welcome here. The people are also very friendly and very open to communication. They are always there to help you, support you and guide you in your journey, which creates a very positive environment.
Can you share a memorable moment or experience you've had at the Jignect?
One memorable moment or experience that I had here was when I get a client appreciation for delivering the urgent work before the timeline. At that time, everyone from the team stepped in and collaborated and helped to complete the work before the deadline. And we got a client appreciation for that. And that time, I have learned that how collaboration and teamwork are valued here.
How has the organization helped you grow professionally or personally?
Jignet has given me opportunities to take ownership of tasks and learn beyond my comfort zone. Timely feedbacks and support from my experienced colleagues have helped strengthen both my technical abilities and my confidence. Personally, I would say I have become better at communicating, collaborating, and working with different teams.
How would you describe the work culture here in a few words?
I would describe the work culture in Jignet as very supportive, collaborative, and growth-oriented. It is an environment where you feel encouraged to contribute, learn continuously, and enjoy the work that you do.
What kind of support or encouragement do you receive from your team or leaders?
My team members and my team leaders are always approachable and always willing to help whenever needed. They provide constructive feedback and they always encourage new ideas. Knowing that this kind of support is always available to me, it is what helps me stay motivated and perform with confidence.
What challenges have helped you learn the most during your time here?
Working on projects with tight deadlines, different time zones, and new technologies has taught me the most. Initially, the situations felt challenging, but they helped me learn quickly and ask right questions. Over the time, I would say these were the challenges that helped me in my overall professional growth.
How does teamwork or collaboration work in your role?
Collaboration is an important part of my daily work. We regularly collaborate to discuss new ideas, solve problems, and review each other's progress.
If you had to describe Jignect in one word, what would it be and why?
I would describe Jignet as an employee-first company because you as a person are being valued here along with the work that you do, and it is not something you hear but you can feel if you join Jignet.
What makes Jignect different from other workplaces,
What makes Jignet different from other workplaces is the genuine focus on people. Along with delivering quality work, it also ensures that the employees are getting right support, opportunities, and an environment to succeed.
What would you say to someone who is thinking of joining our organization?
If you are new to this field and you want to explore yourself in areas like your hobbies, your strengths and weaknesses, then Jignet would be the best place for you. Come with an open mind and willingness to learn, and you will get an environment where you feel encouraged to grow both professionally and personally.
Thanks for taking the time to share your journey and feedback.
Thank you, Jignet, for giving me all the opportunities.